Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another Spanish tutoring video. In this video we will learn how to write and pronounce the numbers between 7,000 and 7,999, or los números del 7,000 a 7,999. Let's begin. The prefix we will be using for the numbers between 7,000 and 7,999 are the words 7,000. Alright. We've chosen random numbers between 7,000 to 7,999, and we're going to write down the word. Please write down the word as I write it, as well as pronounce it after I pronounce it. So the first one is 7,000 or 7,000. We'll leave it as that is. The next one is 7,001, which is 7,001. The next one is 7,007. 7,007. 7,007. The next one is 7,010, which is 7,010. 7,010. The next one is 7,019, which is 7,019. The next one is 7,029, which is 7,029. 7,029. The next one is 7,059, which is 7,059. 59. The next one is 7,100, which is 7,100. The next one is 7,184, which is 7,184. 7,184. The next one is 7,202, which is 7,202. 7,202. The next one is 7,353, which is 7,353. 7,353. The next one is 7,462, which is 7,462. 7,462. The next one is 7,585, which is 7,585. 7,585. The next one is 7,676, which is 7,676. 676. All right, the last page is 7,777. 777. The next one is 7,849, which is 7,849. 840. Let me erase that. 49. The next one is 7,933, which is 7,933. 7,933. The next one is 7,970, which is 7,970. The next one is 7,996, which is 7,996. 7,996. 96. And the last one is 7,999, which is 7,999. 7,990. Let me write that again. 7,999. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this ends the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel so that you can get more content like this. Remember, if at any point you got stuck, please rewind and replay this video as many times as you can so that you can pronounce the word after me as well as write down the word as I write it down. We'll see you in the 8,000s.